need to peel the bananas, right? So as you can see, I'm wearing my gloves. If you don't have gloves at home, what we country people do is pour some cooking oil on our hand, and that will prevent the stain from sticking, so it's easy to wash off after you finish peeling the bananas. But it's the time of COVID-19, so I have a lot of gloves at home. Here is just a bowl with water that I'll just put the peeled bananas in so it doesn't turn brown. And usually if you don't have like really nice green bananas, you have to go back when you're peeling, you have to go back and like strip some of the residue from the skin. You have to use your knife and just peel it away. So that's what I'm doing now, just to ensure that I have nice clean bananas. Good. All right, on to the next one. You just slice the top here, slice the bottom here, and usually just pick a spot anywhere and you make your insert. And of course, if you have a garden, you don't just throw this in the garbage. You can use this for compost, right? Good tip. Okay. So now we have our peeled green bananas that we're going to grate. A cup of flour. You also need your salt. You need your salt and your flour, and we're going to grate the green bananas. So here I have my grater, just a normal mixing bowl, and we're going to grate. So take your banana and just grate. Done. Try trying to remove as much as possible from the grater. Yeah. So get rid of all of that. You want all of it. Okay, now we have our grated green bananas. So now we're going to add 1 cup of flour and I would say about a teaspoon of salt or half a teaspoon of salt. I don't usually judge these things. Yeah. Inside, and I have my water so we can start kneading. So be careful of how much water you pour. You know how to make flour dumpling, right? So this feels like the consistency of when you add butter to flour. Yeah, that's what it feels like. Perfect. So your grated green banana is well incorporated, well mixed in with the flour. Yeah. And if you feel like it's too sticky, you can always add more flour. But I feel like this is fine. But I'll just add just a little bit more to so we don't, yeah, just a tad bit more. Yeah, because when we're making the dumplings, we don't want to have the flour sticking to our hand, and you can't drop the dumplings in the pot. Right? We don't want that. Perfect. This is what you want. So now we're going to break the dough into small pieces so we can form our dumplings. Let's do it. We're going to form our dumplings. So you want to break off into small pieces. And I don't know if you can see how I do it. I don't know. But yeah, you turn. And then you flip. Turn again. Yeah. hot water. Again, take a piece, turn, turn, turn. You're using this finger. Turn. I don't know if you can see. Turn. And when you're comfortable, see? Now you're going to take your hand, press, take the other side, press, and your dumpling is nicely formed. Okay, so let's check on these dumplings again. They're almost done. They're practically done. But just to be on the safe side. See? Yeah, look. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This will be so good with some curry chicken. Ooh, yes. All right, I'm gonna give these like 5 more minutes and I'm gonna prep my leftover curry chicken that I had for dinner yesterday and serve it with these green banana dumplings. Okay, so here I have my curry chicken that I did yesterday, just mixed parts that I cut up and curried. So now our dumplings are done. So we're just gonna plate. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. It's a pity that I have to be holding. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna eat this, so I don't need 3. But look at that. Absolutely divine. Amazing. Just amazing. Just amazing. The finished product. My leftover curry chicken and my boiled green banana dumplings. Oh my gosh. Shall we have a taste? Let's have a taste. Let me Here we go. You know what's missing? Some pear, avocado. Some avocado is missing. Oh my gosh. Look at that. You need to taste this. You need to taste the banana flavor in this dump. It doesn't need anything. It doesn't need anything. It's perfect. You need to try it, guys. Try it. It's perfect. Okay, this is where I end with my boiled green banana dumplings. I hope you try the recipe. I hope you enjoy. See you next time. Bye.